How many was that?
Every time I see it, keep thinking about it, and I forgot about it when you said that. But remind me.
Where'd you find that?
I took the kids up to the CMP, Civilian Marksmanship Program. The Army marksmanship guy that was giving the class. And so we tried to give it back. He's like, no, keep it. So all it is just clips on, and it's just easy.
Oh, that's awesome. That's all you need, just a little bit of distraction. Like, I probably could just put the tape on without this thing.
You're good. Safe.
Up to you guys. What'd you bring up?
Reel it in.
That one was not so good.
Fun stuff. So
You got the fun stuff.
whatever.
You all right?
I don't know.
Nice.
Those things are awesome.
Good job. High five.
Isn't that wild?
That is
That's heavy.
Chris in it.